In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a smooth zoom transition in Premiere Pro. I already have two clips on the timeline, and we're going to create the zoom right across the cut between them. Start by making an adjustment layer. At the bottom of your project panel, click New Item and choose Adjustment Layer. It should match your sequence settings automatically. For reference, my sequence is 3840 by 2160 at 24 frames per second. Click OK, then drag the adjustment layer onto a track above your two clips, making sure it covers the cut. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and drag it onto the adjustment layer you just placed. Head to the Effect Controls panel. Under Transform, uncheck. Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. This adds natural motion blur to the zoom, which is what makes it look smooth and cinematic. Move the playhead to the exact middle where the two clips meet, the cut point, and make sure the adjustment layer is selected. Now set up your scale. Depending on your Premiere version, you might see a single scale control or separate scale width and scale height. Click the stopwatch to enable animation. If you only see scale, set it to 300. If you see scale width and scale height, set both to 300. If you want a stronger push, 400 works too. Now let's create the build-up and release. From the cut point, move the playhead 5 frames to the left. You can tap the left arrow key 5 times if you're on a frame-by-frame timeline. Click the reset button for scale to bring it back to 100. That creates a keyframe at normal size before the cut. Go back to the cut point, then move 5 frames to the right. Again, reset scale to 100. Now you have 3 keyframes, normal before, zoomed at the cut, and normal after. The motion blur we set earlier will smooth out the movement so it feels seamless. Play it back, and you'll see a clean, smooth zoom transition right over the edit. If it feels too intense, lower the maximum scale from 300 to something like 250. If you want more punch, push it up to 400. Just remember to keep the scale at 100 on both sides of the cut for a natural flow. Here's how it looks. Let's pause for a couple of seconds so you can see it in action. That's how easy it is. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Premiere Pro tips.